LordSage Sadi TV. Aglaonema will flourish in a warm environment with either full or partial shade. This lucky plant thrives in areas that face east. Aglaonema can help infuse a place with life and energy and is a representation of the wood element. This year, 2023, Aglaonema is one of the best Feng Shui plants for our home and workplace because it represents wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. Due of these qualities, Aglaonema is particularly positioned in the southeast, the wealth corner of the home and workplace.